99% of people are using AI completely wrong. They treat it like a toy, a search engine, a machine to do their homework, and then they wonder why it never makes them a single dollar. Meanwhile, a tiny group is using the exact same tool, the same one sitting in your pocket right now, to quietly make money. The difference is not the tool, it is one thing they understand that almost nobody else does. Here it is. Most people ask AI to give them something. An answer, a joke, a summary. The few ask AI to build them something, something another person will actually pay for. One group consumes, the other group produces, and only one of those two ever leads to money. Let me make this painfully clear, because this is where the 99% get stuck. They go looking for the secret, the magic AI tool that prints cash. They watch video after video hunting for it. But there is no magic tool, because AI does not pay you. People pay you. AI is just the thing that lets one person deliver what used to take a whole team. That is the entire secret. It is leverage, not a lottery ticket. So here is what the 1% actually do. They do not ask, what can AI do? They ask, what do people already pay for? Then they point AI at that. A small business needs content. Someone needs a logo, a website, a video, a sales email. These are things people were paying real money for long before AI existed. The 1% just deliver them 10 times faster, for a fraction of the effort, using AI to do the heavy lifting. The 99% use AI to save themselves 20 minutes. The 1% use AI to do the work of 5 people, and then sell that work. Same tool, completely different result. One is a convenience, the other is a business. And here is the part that traps most people. They wait, they want to learn AI perfectly before they ever try to make a single cent. They take the course, they watch the tutorials, they tell themselves they are almost ready. But ready never comes. The 1% start ugly. They offer a rough service today, get their first customer, and learn by actually doing it. The 99% are still preparing. The 1% are already getting paid. So if you want to actually use AI to make money, forget the tools for a second. Start with one question. What is a problem that people already open their wallets for? Writing, design, editing, marketing, admin, anything. Now use AI to solve that problem faster and cheaper than the people still doing it by hand. That is it. That is the whole thing the 99% are missing. Because the truth is almost insultingly simple. AI is not a money machine. It is a force multiplier. It takes whatever you point it at and makes it bigger. Point it at nothing and you get nothing. Point it at a real problem people pay to solve, and you have a business that one person can run from a laptop. The 99% will keep using AI to answer trivia and make memes. And that is fine. That is exactly why the opportunity stays wide open for the few who use it differently. The tool is the same for everyone. The only thing that changes is what you aim it at. So here is the question that quietly separates the 99% from the 1%. Stop asking AI, what can you do for me? And start asking, who would pay for what we just made? Answer that honestly, go and find that person, and you have just crossed a line that almost everyone else never will.